Roto NX with the concealed hinge side C is special because the hardware components cannot be seen from the outside. Using a timber element with stay arm 350 as an example, we will show you how easy it is to install, adjust and maintain a window equipped with the concealed hinge side C from the Roto NX hardware system. All you need for installation and adjustment is a 4mm hex key for windows. Push down on the lifting mishandling device, if fitted, on the sash and move the handle to the turn position. Guide the sash along the frame until you feel that the corner hinge is seated on the pivot rest. Turn the sash and stay arm to 90 degrees while pushing the sash upwards slightly towards the frame. Push down on the lifting mishandling device, if fitted, and move the handle to the tilt position. Insert the stay arm mounting bolt into the recess on the stay guide supporting arm. Push the bayonet bolt in the front downwards so that it can run in underneath the mounting plate. Position the stay arm above the stay guide while turning the bayonet bolt 90 degrees using the bracket. Push the stay arm downward so that the mounting bolt runs into the supporting arm and the bayonet bolt runs into the mounting plate. Turn the bayonet bolt back 90 degrees so that the bracket engages on the sash stay rod. Check whether the mounting bolt and the bayonet bolt are locked in the stay guide. Push down on the lifting mishandling device and move the handle back to the turn position. Open the sash, push down on the lifting mishandling device and move the handle to the tilt position. Turn the bayonet bolt 90 degrees using the bracket. Lift the stay arm off the stay guide. Push down on the lifting mishandling device and move the handle to the turn position. With the sash slightly tilted at an angle, lift it off the pivot rest. At a sash weight of 80 kg and above, it is possible to install load transfer. This is mandatory at weights of 120 kg and above. During installation, push one side of the supporting arm into the load transfer sash component. Then place the other side on the frame component. When the sash is open to 90 degrees, tension the load transfer spring using the 4mm hex key. Turn the adjusting screw in until the entire silver screw head can be seen in the red inspection window. Before unhinging a sash with load transfer, please note that the spring must be released beforehand so that the supporting arm is easy to lift out of the frame component. The turn restrictor frame component must be positioned 5 mm away from the pivot rest so that the sash rotation is limited to 90 degrees or 95 degrees, depending on the alignment of the sash component. Place the arm of the turn restrictor installed on the sash component with the drill hole over the cam of the frame component. On delivery, the tilt depth is always 140 mm. It can be adjusted when the window is installed. Turn the bolt on the stay guide anti-clockwise 90 degrees using the 4mm hex key. Push the tilt restrictor forwards as far as it can go. Turn the bolt back clockwise 90 degrees to lock the tilt restrictor.